Oh.
Yeah, this is what you wanted to see.
Okay.
This is what he wanted.
Wow.
Chris Hardwick.
Jeremy.
Jeremy, good to meet you.
Oh.
When we walk up, you're going to actually be able to see a better profile.
Color right in your mortar?
No, we paint after. It's nice to get a sealant coat on it, right? And keep the sealant on.
Okay, so you put a sealant on it. And then
Going up the timbers and seeing how they're scribed to the siding. Yeah.
It's just added on?
Decorative, yeah. So we actually scanned a tree bottom. We just printed it, just to slide it in there.
Cool.
We'll do that all the way around.
Planters back there? Is that?
Those are actually stools, but they were failed prints. So we'll probably also use those for artificial reef.
Where's the reef project?
Well, that was just an example for a client in Puerto Rico. Yeah.
Okay, Puerto Rico, all right. Yeah. Field trip.
Yeah, we lost our crowd there. On our website, you can see the machine called the Leonardo. That's this machine here. Basically, it's a 9-axis printer. As the printer's going around, it's laying that fiber into the print.
We actually completed it fully sealed.
Oh, yes?
Yeah,
Cool.
so that's a 2-component material.
good
Securing
fire.
as we print. We printed fast,
Ooh,
really
okay.
quick.
Have you made a couple shelter door like this with self-supported roof?
No.
No. Skateboard ramp 3D printed. Wow. Oh, those are nice too.
And this is like, this is the flexible scenario. This is exactly what I try to. Yeah, we printed them. Put flowers in it. Is that? I don't think so. I don't think.
That's a pretty strange shape.
what's this? What is this?
Oh,
It could be an amphitheater.
Here we have a project that we did for a company in Japan called Serendex. It's made up of 4 sections that we printed in the shop with the Leonardo. It was a challenge, and amongst many other 3D printing companies, and we were the only ones that could do it. And we shared a patent on the process with them. Yeah, so we'll just say LiDAR scan the bedrock, both with the picnic table and with that pipe that you see down there. And then in the shop, actually, it was with the Leonardo that the pieces were printed. They're talking about like doing some like
fish
side
ladder.
You have to run the water through.
and having
Yeah, that's a view. Very nice.
So you can see how it's sliced in modules on this one.
Yeah.
And so it does open up options though. Like it's
Yeah,
not.
makes it bigger. You can get bigger. You really did good on the paint.
It's a membrane, concrete membrane.
Okay.
It's held up very well over like the past 6 years.
It's sprayed.
Sprayed on, yeah.
Place for
Can we take our shoes off?
It's okay.
Yeah,
Wipe them off.
Oh,
Really, this is all the space you need.
You got to
Beds, a place to read, meditate, whatever you want to do. Perfect.
I think what we decided to do, like,
This is the shear wall, and this provides the shear on this part of the structure. And so we just poured it, put our rebar cage in here, and because it with the spiral, it was able to provide the X and the Y on the shear. And then these are the rebar cages.
Okay, yeah, nice.
And these will have conventional fill concrete in them with the rebar cage.
Oh, glue lamb, yeah. Oh, this is yeah, finger jointed glue lamb.
That would be the case, but yeah.
so this is 3D printed too, and then epoxied. Very nice.
So you brought some over, remember?
I don't know what the number was. Ian would have that number.
And the center.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, it's neat. It's Picasso.
So here it is. I can see there's fibers in the mix. It goes in there. And it goes all the way there. Ooh.
You know, worst case we scrape this out, we remove the bag and sock spot.
So does it move slowly like that all the time?
No, we're going slow right now to gas off.